Good morning, children. How are you all? Very good. So, you all are fine with your homework. Yes, you all have completed the work. I hope so. Very good, children. So, we are back again with a new lesson now. What I am going to take today, children? You are already familiar with the sounds. You have learned sounds twice, correct? So remember sounds? Do you want me to repeat again? Yes, phonic words we have to learn. One example again I want to take. A sounds, correct. A. B sounds, B. Very good. C sounds, correct. K. Good children. So you all are familiar with the sounds. Again today I have brought phonic words for you all. So fold your hands and listen to me properly. Don't be restless. Read now. This you can read. A, D, and. Yes, A, D, and, O, D. Family words we are going to learn. Yes, A, D, and, O, D. Family words we all are going to learn today. You want me to revise again? A sounds A, D sounds D, O sounds O, D sounds D. So you all are family? Yes? Family words? Very good. Let us go for the next part, children, now. Let us start with first OD words, children. See this. Now, can you help me out to read? Correct. C-O-D. C sounds K. Good. C sounds K. Very good. And O-D? Odd. So C-O-D is K-O-D. Cord. K-O-D. Cord. Cord means what, children? Look at the picture. This picture, can you imagine? Yes, it is a fish. But it is a fish which has barrel on its chin. Yes. Have you seen cord anywhere? Yes, you must have seen this cord in images, in your cartoon shows, correct? So you all are familiar with cord now. And what is cord? Yes, when you go near the sea, near the river, you can see. Yes, very good. So K-O-D, it's cord. Now, happy to see this? Very happy? So imagine and tell me, what is this? Yes, God. Pray to God. All of you close your eyes and pray to God now. Yes, God bless us. God will bless you for everything. You want knowledge, then you should be intelligent, smart, and eat your food on time also, children. So, which God is this? We all pray to God, children. Each and every one of us are having favorite God, correct? So, can you guess which God is this? Yes, Ganpati Bappa. So, Ganpati Bappa is going to bless us and protect us. Now, look here, children. Read the spelling. It's correct. G, then O, D. Can you say G sounds what? Yes, G sounds. G sounds G. G sounds G. OD, odd. G, OD, God. Yes. G, OD, God. So, what you want to say to Ganpati Bappa? God bless us and protect us. God will help us to studies also. You should remember everything and give strength to you. You want strength? Do you want to be active? Yes. So, God, please help us. Thank you, God. I don't know this. What is this man doing in the picture? Yes, what is this? Children, this is the man is nodding his head. Nodding means what? A slight movement of your head. Yes. When do you do this? When you want to say no? Okay, I agree. When you understood something, also you will say, you shook your head. Correct? So that is nod. Nod. Read the spelling, please. N O D. Nod. But N sounds na. N sounds na. O D odd. O D odd. Na O D nod. Na O D nod. Na O D nod. And nod means slight movement of your head to whether you have understood or not, to say something, express yourself. Okay. So when your teacher says, have you understood? You all, I think you all are nodding your head now. Yes. Yes, there is a smile also on your face. I can feel. Yes. Good children. Very good. Children, our next letter is, read, P O D. What it is? P O D. Correct. P sounds very good. P. P sounds P. P sounds P. And O D. O. D sounds D. O D. O D. Odd. So P O D. P O D is, guess, correct. Pod. P P P P O D odd. So P O D pod. And what does the pod mean? What is the meaning of pod? Look at the picture. It is a seed. It is a seed that grows on plant. Look, this is a plant and this is seed. It has grown on a plant. I can give you example. You all know peas and you all love to eat peas. Yes. You all eat peas in what? Correct. Potato vegetable you like. So mummy adds aloo matar she makes and you all have that with chapati or rice. So that peas. So when you open that, what comes out? Yes, that is a seed. And beans, do you know beans? You must be eating vegetable. Correct. So this is a seed grown on plant. So POD is pod. POD is pod. Very good. Now the next slide. Look at the next slide. You think now R sounds R. R sounds R. OD odd. OD odd. So R. OD odd. ROD rod. R sounds R sounds R. Correct. OD Understood? ROD is rod. Now look at the picture. Have you seen this picture? Yes, you must be having at home also, children. Rod. What is the meaning of rod? Think and tell me. Yes, a thin, straight bar. Especially we use this in sometimes in construction of building also. Yes, then you have grill outside your window. You can see rod over there also. And this is, yes, it's a fishing rod. What do you do with this rod? You all catch a fish. You all catch a fish with this rod. It is a straight. See, look, this is straight. And the fish, when you put it in the river, what happens? What comes out here? Fish. A fish is hanging. So it's a rod. And you can also say rod, a metal. When you can, yes, children, on the staircase, for making the staircase also we use metal rods. You must have seen the metal rods also. The rod we have in metal form, wooden form also, which is very easy for you all to understand. Good. Now children, let us come back for the activity. Write the first letter with the help of the options given in the box. I have to read the question for you because my children don't know to read the question. Teacher will help you out. Correct? Children, can you see this yellow box? In that, so many letters are been written. Can you read? Say. Yes, first one is P. Then R. Next one is G. Very good. N comes next. And the last one is C. Very good, children. These are the options given in the box. With the help of these letters, you all are going to form a word. Children, for you all, I have given you the pictures also. So pictures, looking at the pictures, it will be easy for you all to make the word. Yes? Am I right? Very good. So, now, come on. Fold your hands and be alert and give me the answers. Now, look here children, the first picture. What is this? Yes, so you all know this. It's a cord. You all see this in the... Yes, see. Very good. Yes, you all correct. You like to catch a fish. I know, I understood children. But here you have to say me the word. There is a dash given to you. And next to it, it is written OD, odd. So, with the help of the options, please form a word. Which one? Oh, it's a cord. Very good, children. Cord. Can I do one thing, children? Once this word is over, can I strike off this C like this? Means, now this letter I have selected, so it will be easy for you all to form. Can I write? Yes, C. C-O-D, cord. It's C, K-O-D, cord. K-O-D, cord. Very good. Now next one, I would like to go where I get blessings. We all get blessings. He helps us to studies. He helps us in everything. Yes, who? The creature. Our God, Ganpati Bappa. Yes, I heard you all are saying Moria. I know that. Yes, children. So, for our God, which letter shall I write? Yes? There you are. Very good. G. So, let me strike off G first, so that it will be easy for me to write. Now, you all are familiar with it. But children, while writing G, first I will write C and I am going to take this tail down. So it is G-O-D, God. How will you say? God. God. So it is God. God. Now next one. Let us move little up. Up in the sense here. Yes. What is that? Look at the picture. I think it's a stick. No? Then? Oh, there you are. It's a rod. Exactly. Rod means where to go, where to go. Oh, yes, children, I understood. You said R. So I will strike off R and I'm going to bring R over here. Yes, it's R-O-D, rod. R-O-D, rod. And rod, you know very well. So no need to say. You will say yes. Correct. Now, please come. Where to go? Where to go? No, children. Below. Below means down. I'm going to take this part for you. Now, this is, yes, children, it's a pod. Pod means, you know, no? A seed growing from a small plant. Pod, pa. Which one? Yes, P. So let me strike off this P. It will be easy for you all. How to write P? You are going to bring the tail down. Most of the time what you do, you write P up above the line. No, small P has to be written below the line. The tail should come down. So it's P-O-D, pod. P-O-D, pod. Understood? Now let us go for the last one. Look at this man. What is he doing? Yes, nodding his head. Yes, a slight shaking your head. That is nod. Nod means na. Yes. Oh yes, it is very easy. Only one letter has been left over here. So you know. But I know you know to form the word now. Nod. So na. Na means yes, it's N. N-O-D, nod. N-O-D, nod. N-O-D, nod. So by this worksheet I have finished. You all know, I hope you all will complete this activity, correct? And you all are practicing also. So OD words are done. You will practice at home. Now children, as I told you before, we are going to learn today OD and AD family words. OD we have already learned. Now let us come back to AD words. Yes, we are going to learn now AD words. Now look at the picture first. Who is he? I guess. Yes, there you are. Dad. Who is he? Dad. And we all love our dad very much. Dad helps us in studies also. Yes, he brings gifts for you. Correct. Now look, dad is so happy. You all are standing with dad. Now, can you help me out to say this phonic word? D. D says D. D says D. D says D. And AD, correct, add. So D, add, dad. Children, dad, you saw the picture of dad and you know the phonic D and dad. Now look here, who is he? Yes, he is a boy. Boy is also known as lad. Yes. Now let me say you the sound first. L sounds L, correct. L sounds L, correct. So when you say L, it's L. L says L. AD, add. L, add, lad. L, add, lad. L, add, lad. Lad means boy. What is he doing? Boy is playing with a ball. He's playing with a ball. Lad was standing with dad. Yes, dad was Yes, dad was so happy. Even the lad was happy. He was standing with dad, and now here the lad is playing with a ball. Now, children, this lad was playing with a ball. But when sometimes it happens, you play ball outside, you play inside the house also, and many times it has happened. What do you do with the ball? You kick the ball so hard that the ball goes and yes, the door, it bangs the door. It bangs the chair. Yes. So that is right or wrong, children? It is wrong. Many times it happens you take a ball or you play with your toys and you break it. You scatter everywhere. This habit, do you think it's a good? No. It is bad. Very good. So I brought a letter for you that is B. B sounds B. B. B sounds B. B sounds B. AD add. AD add. So how you all are going to say this? B add bad. B add bad. B add bad. So bad means yes, it is bad. When you break something, it is bad. Mommy will say, why did you break that? And you have already broken the glasses, you have already broken the toys. So that is bad. Okay, you should not do that, children. Now, let us go for the next word. That is, okay, you are looking at the picture. What is that girl doing? Yes, she's beating her toy. You should beat the toy, children? No, you should not. We love our toys so much. We should take care of our toys. And here the girl is, yes, the sister. She was standing with the dad. The boy was playing with a ball. And then, if you break something with the ball, it is bad. Now, this girl is doing also, it's a bad thing? Yes. So, we can say the girl has gone crazy. She is mad. Can I say that? Yes, it is a mad way to do. It is wrong, children. Now spell N says N says AD add. So how to say that? M add mad. M add mad. Boy, a lad and his sister was standing with dad, and then lad got a ball to play and girl got a doll to play, but she's breaking the toy and it is bad. Now let us go for the next. Children, yes, I know. Yes, smiley face, no. Crying, correct. When you cry, your face looks happy or very good. Sad. Children, dad will take you home outside to play. The boy was playing with a ball and then he broke the thing. The girl is playing and she's beating her toy. So it's a bad habit. What will happen if you all do like this? Yes, mama will scold. Daddy will scold you. So you will feel happy or sad. Yes, you all are sad then. So, will you do this? Will you repeat this? Yes, no. So, come to our phonic. It's S. S sounds. S sounds. S sounds. AD, add. So, how to say that? Sir, add sad. Sir, add sad. Sir, add sad. So, the picture is sad. Now, let us go for the next. Children, but my children are so good. Same way the lad and the sister. They are good also. After they got punishment, they were sad. But then when mother said, sit for studies, when father said, sit for studies, so they sat for studies, children. Yes, what is that? Yes, very good. There you are. It's a writing pad. It's a writing pad. You all carry when? Good. When you have your assessment. When you have your assessment to keep your worksheet, you carry writing pad. And then you write on it. Yes? So P sounds P. P sounds P. P sounds P. AD add. AD add. How to say that? P add pad. P add pad. And pad means you are going to write. Writing pad is, so you people have so many writing pads. Superman, Barbie doll. Yes, and you love, and you can keep the notebook also on it and write. So happy. Finally, when the things go well, you will get the good things. Good. Now, here comes the next slide. What is that? Which is this word? Had. Children, we finished our homework also. Playing is also done. Everything is done now. Now what we have the final part? Yes. When you had your dinner, you will go to sleep. Had means done. The work is done. Now say. It sounds h. It sounds h. It sounds h. Ad add. Ad add. So how to say that? Her add had. Her add had. Very good. Had means done, over. The child had his dinner. Now the lad is good boy. Yes? Now children, here I have brought activity for you all. That is, yes, word building mat for AD words. In this, today I have not given you any single word letter to write. Yes, you have to write all the letters and make a word. First picture. See this first picture. Yes. What is the picture about? When the things doesn't go properly, we feel bad. When you break something, yes, you apologize your mother, yes, for breaking the things. So breaking is not good. So that is bad. Yes, yesterday I broke one glass. So that is bad. I didn't do my homework. HW page. So that is bad. So can you help me out to write bad word? Please. First one, b b b. Yes. B. Then a. D. Yes. It's BAD. Bad. Now, children, look at this picture. Who is he? Dad. Yes. So how to write dad? D. Good. A. Then again D. So how to say? Please. Yes. D at dad. D at dad. Now children, can you help me out for this? Who is he? He is a lad. Very good. So lad is very simple to write. Can you say la? There you are. L. Then yes. A. Then correct. D. So it is L add lad. L add lad. And lad means boy. Now look at here. Yes, the girl was breaking the toy. She was throwing the toy. After that, what happens? Yes, that is crazy. Here, the dad is crazy now. Yes. So look at this picture. So the face has become red. This is mad. So how to write mad? Yes, it is M. Then A. Then D. Mad. So how to say M-A-D? It is mad. Now you all have writing pad at home. Yes, I know. There are so many designs on it. Yes, beautiful pictures are there and cartoon ones specially. So this one is, which one is this? Yes, it's a writing pad. So please help me out. Pa pa pa. Very good. But the tail should go down. P. Then A. Then D. P and pad. P and pad. Is it correct? Now you help me out for this. Last one. Homework is not done, teacher. HW page no. Teacher, my pencil point broke. I lost my eraser. So we all become sad. Yes, children, along with you, I also become sad when you lose anything. So the boy is sad in this. He is crying. So how to write sad? Yes, very good. S, then A, and then it's D. So it's sad. Sad. Now, after this, here I complete the worksheet, children, for you all. I hope you all are going to practice this at home and revise the old phonic words also which you have learned before. All the phonic words you should learn, okay? An, at, then yes, ing, so many we have learned now. And today's worksheet also you will practice and the phonic words. I hope you all will do well. Enjoy along with your playing. Goodbye, children. Yes. Yes, children. Now it's time to go and bring the next new lesson for you all. Thank you, children, for listening to me and obeying your parents also. I hope you all are going to listen and follow the instructions given by your parents and your teachers also. Okay? See you again. Bye-bye.